Good Tuesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Low pressure in the western Gulf at 993 millibars is pushing a frontal boundary closer to the Alaska Peninsula. It's been spreading rain from the eastern Aleutians on Alaska and Dutch Harbor all the way up the Alaska Peninsula, and will continue to work that wet weather further and further north and east, eventually taking over Kodiak Island, most of the Alaska Peninsula and the Aleutian chain, as well as a good chunk of west and southwestern Alaska. Sitting just outside the northern Gulf waters at 1,016 millibars is a considerably weaker system, but it's strong enough to push moisture up toward Yakutat and Icy Cape and Cape Fairweather. Heavy rain reported around Yakutat earlier today. A weak frontal boundary is separating cool and cloudy weather from much drier and somewhat showery and even stormy weather across the interior. The front lingering across the Brooks Range is limiting the amount of heat traveling northward and locking in that low layer of clouds that's coming in from the Chukchi and Beaufort Sea coast. Areas of ice have been moving southward closer to the coast throughout today. You can certainly see that on the Barrow Sea Ice Cam from our friends at UAF and GINA. Be sure and check that out anytime. As we look at the region later tonight, warmer air is lifting northward, passing the Bering Strait and heading out toward the north slope. With that, rain and snow showers should be expected around some parts of the Wainwright to Barrow coastline as we head into Wednesday. By the afternoon, it should be warm enough for rainfall there. Showers will be forming around the upper Kuskokwim as well as the Alaska Range and southwest toward Bristol Bay. A better chance that most of what you'll see will form into more of a steadier rainfall. That continues southward across the Alaska Peninsula and into the central and eastern chain. Low pressure is weakening. That means it won't be quite as strong and filling in. So the levels rise from the 900s to about 1,004 millibars as we get into Wednesday afternoon. We'll have a better chance of seeing some light rain around the Kenai Peninsula region as well as Prince William Sound and eastward into the northern Gulf, including places like Yakutat once again. Might see some showers across northern parts of southeast as well with high pressure moving south out of the Gulf of Alaska at 1,033 millibars. A look up north once again has colder air dropping southward, and that's going to start to increase the chance for some northerly winds to reach the north slope, and again could move some ice southward over the next couple days. Look for that front to reach into the north slope, bringing a better chance of rain all the way through the Bering Strait, St. Lawrence Island, out toward Kaktovik as we get into Thursday afternoon. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder.